Today, what we're looking at is why your Android storage is always full and how to clean that up and what to do about it, basically. So let's get to it real quick. If this is the first time you are watching a video on this channel, so let me give you um, a brief overview of what we do on this channel. On this channel, we teach people stuff. It could be tech tutorials, it could be something else, just things that we know are pain points that people experience every day, things that they need to know, things that they don't know could be of help to them, things they don't know could be of use to them, and things that they are having problems with. So we teach people, we help them understand the devices they use and things like that. So if this is something that appeals to you, if you want to learn more about your phone, about your computer and things like that, yes, you should do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for this channel so you can get notified when we upload new videos. All right, having done that, let's get back to the video. So the first thing that I want you to do is that I want you to access your settings app. Then there you can see a detailed breakdown of okay, maybe I was too fast. So after you open up your settings app on your Android, the next thing I want you to do is that I want you to tap on storage. So when you open up the storage, you see a detailed breakdown, a detailed analysis of all the stuff that are taking up your space. You see here, you can see applications. You can let me open so you can see all the applications that I have on the phone that are taking up my space. All right, then you have other like files that some applications are using, like some um different stuff, like maybe PDF files, something that cannot just be easily categorized under videos, images, and document. Okay, I think PDFs will be under documents. Actually, PDFs should be under documents, but all this other, as I think, are stuff, files that cannot be easily labeled, as maybe some files that are being used by some applications, some cache files, some things like that, generated by some applications on the phone. So I think those are the stuff that will be in the order. Then videos, the videos that I have on the phone, then images, the pictures and things like that I have on the phone, then documents, audio, and the system itself, the operating system is using around 12 gigabytes, and we have our temporary system files being used by the system around 8.5 gigabytes. So altogether, if you add all this up, it will amount to, like, let's say the total of 128 gigabytes. So that's that about that. So if you want to free up the space, you can either use this button right here to free up the space, but if you don't want to do that, I recommend that you actually go to Play Store and then you download an application specifically for that use case. All right, so you can just search for, let's see, um phone. So you have some applications here that are for that very purpose, to clean up your mobile phone storage. Uh, so you have CCleaner, which should be really good, because I used to use the cleaner for PC. So CCleaner products are usually very good. And you have something from AVG, which has around 100 million plus installations. So I think, which one should I go for? Okay, let me try this Brain Trust. I think the reviews are very positive, so it has some great reviews. Let's look at the reviews. Oh, okay. So okay, I think I'm just going to go for CCleaner. Let's look at it. uh, okay, the looks the reviews look genuine, and yeah, they don't look fake, but I don't like the fire still. Okay. Okay, that's CCleaner. Let me look at Avast. Okay, AVG. Okay, so I think I'm still going to go back for that. Let me install CCleaner, and okay, I'm going to try these two apps and see which one is better. AVG, you know, those are some big names in the tech space. So Piriform, and right, Piriform, and I think it's okay. So after you install these applications, then the applications will normally guide you through how to do the cleaning, you know. But if you want to do the cleaning manually, you can come here and then select what you want to delete. If you want to uninstall an application, you can just click the application that you want to uninstall. Like if I want to uninstall CapCut now, I can okay, I think I have to go to the application part to do that. So but I can clear the storage here, and the storage is around 483 MB. But normally I'm supposed to be able to uninstall the application here, but okay, yes, I can uninstall that. Let me see. So I just tapped on it, and yes, I can uninstall the application right here. And what else? Yeah, any application you want to uninstall, maybe TikTok Studio, whatever. Yeah, whatever you have that you want to uninstall that you don't really need, you can do it here. And if you want to clean up some documents or maybe some videos, you can check the videos here, and you can delete the applications that I'm installing. They are still installing in the background. Maybe when they finish installing, I can show you so that's that. Now maybe I'll make another video on how to use those applications to clean your phone storage. So but for now, let's stop here for today for this video. All right, so talk to you later. All right. Peace and love. Bye for now.